In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the if function. The if function is one of the most useful formulas for making quick decisions in a spreadsheet. It allows you to test whether something is true or false, and then return one result if the condition is true, and a different result if the condition is false. This is especially helpful when you want your spreadsheet to automatically label or categorize data without doing it manually. To begin, enter the formula like this, equals if, then open parentheses. Logical test, comma. Value if true, comma. Value if false. And then close the parentheses. In spreadsheet form, that looks like this. Equals if. Open bracket. Logical underscore test, comma, value underscore if underscore true, value underscore if underscore false. Close bracket. Let's briefly break that down so it's easier to understand. The logical test is the condition you want to check. For example, you might want to check whether a number is greater than or equal to 70. The value if true is what the spreadsheet should show if that condition is met. The value if false is what it should show if the condition is not met. Now let's look at a simple example using marks. If cell A1 contains a student score, and you want the spreadsheet to show whether that student passed or failed, you can use this formula equals if, open bracket. A1 greater than or equal to 70, comma, quotation mark, pass quotation mark, comma, quotation mark, fail quotation mark. Close bracket. What this formula does is check the value in cell A1. If A1 is 70 or higher, the result will be pass. If A1 is below 70, the result will be fail. For example, if A1 is 85, the formula returns pass. That's because 85 is greater than 70. If A1 is 60, the formula returns fail, because 60 does not meet the condition. When using the if function, make sure your text results, such as pass and fail, are placed inside quotation marks. This tells the spreadsheet to treat them as text. Also, be careful with your commas and brackets, because even a small mistake can cause the formula not to work properly. Once you understand the structure, you can use the if function in many different situations, such as grading, attendance, budgeting, or tracking targets. It's a simple formula, but it can save a lot of time and make your spreadsheet much smarter. Thanks for watching.